Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to learn something about the basic terminologies of Microsoft Excel. When you come to Microsoft Excel, you tap in. When you come to workbook, tap, bring for you the sheet. This is what we call the worksheet. This blank spaces, you see. This is what we call the worksheet. Now, these are the shells. These small boxes, this is what we call the shells. This one here, this is what we call the active shell. When you tap here, this will become the active shell. Now this one here, it is the dormant. This box will become the dormant cell. You tap on this one, still that is the active shell. Like if you want to increase, if you want to have more seeds, you come here, you tap here to bring for you sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, you go like that. Want to increase the sizes of the boxes, you come to zoom here. Like this one, I want to increase it. You tap here, you see the shades are increasing. Now it has become too big. Want to decrease it, like to make it small, you come here, you tap. But me, I want this size. Anyway, that one. You come, if you come up here, this number of the names of the boxes. Like here, if you tap here, this one will become A of 1. This is A of 2. Come here, this is B of 2, B of 6, like that. When you come here, this is the function, and this is what we call the formula bar. When you tap here, this one will become the formula bar, the active formula bar. Like if you want to write something on the shell, you come, you tap here, you do your writing. Now this one has become the function bar. This one here. This is the function bar. Assuming this space, this box here is not enough and you want to increase it, you come here. Now it has become the Again, if you want to reduce it, you come here. You do like this. You are seeing it. Like if you want to highlight the whole of this, you come here. You tap here, you see. If you want to remove, you again also tap, bring and tap it somewhere here. I think that is all about the basic terminologies. but more videos are coming.